Hello, my name is Darlinet Cifuentes Gutierrez. I am 33 years old. I'm business administration student. I'm married. I live in Guayata, Boyacá, along with my husband and my 6 years old daughter. I like to listen to music and do not like to exercise. I am currently an independent trader. In January last year, we traveled to San Andres Island with my family. We were on the beach. My daughter go to know the ocean and we chatted in knowing the most thrilling places such as the natural aquarium. The island has changed a lot, gradually losing its naturality and this of natural resource such as the natural aquarium. Tourists do not appreciate and do not take care of the island, and there is a lot of pollution. The competent authority should demand to take care of the natural environment of the island, since it is one of the most beautiful places in Colombia. Thank you very much.